Welcome to Happy English Center. Hello everyone. My name's Tom. I'm 8 years old. I'm from Vietnam. I live in Ngãi Giao commune. I study English at Happy Center. How to make lemonade. First, cut the lemon. Then, add sugar and water. Next, stir it. Finally, drink it. It's sweet and cold. Thank you.